cheesecake. Ito yung crush graham at ito yung melted butter. Looks like a screaming. Wow. Mix. It's time to mix. Mix. 24 hours. Mix. No. Mix. Mami. Mix. Ayun, tingnan mo sa crowd. Oops, make a mess. Mix. We have crumbs in here. It's getting messier. Ngayon, na-mix ko na siya. Ngayon, ilalagay natin siya sa baking pan. Mag-aas tayo ng help kay Mami. Shower. Bakit?
Dito sa mga side.
Okay. Tatawa. Kasi pinuhat mo kanina yung book.
Buhos mo na lahat, Dylan. Buhos mo na lahat.
Ayan, tapos na natin i-mix. Lalagay na pipindutin na natin. Getting. Ito, nagdupat sila. This is a spoon. This is ngayon, tapos na natin i-push, ilalagay na natin sa rep. As for help. Excuse me! Ayan, gagawin na natin yung cream cheese filling. Beat natin tong cream cheese. Hello. Bye-bye. Oh no! Bye-bye, cream cheese. No, that's a butt. Ayan! Cream cheese na yung itsura niya. Next, add na natin ang sugar. Dun. See? Oopsie! It looks like Ola. Ola? Milk. Ilagay natin yung sugar tapos i-beat natin ulit. Next, after natin i-beat, ilagay na natin yung eggs. Yum! Wow! Wow! So refreshing! Next ng egg, heavy cream. Next ng heavy cream, lemon. I always love it. What about me? Next ng lemon, flour. Ngayon, ibibit na natin. At saka, mix natin yung mango. Make sure no one tapon. Wala. It's like a lemon. Oops, it's falling. Dip mo na magsumpit. It's fruit. Oh, done. It's heavy. And action. Ngayon, linabas na natin yung graham mixture. Ngayon, lalagay natin yung cheesecake filling. I can see it now. I can see it. I can smell my toast, huh? Now I. Ibe-bake natin to sa bain-marie.
Two hours later.
Hi guys! Ito na yung mango cheesecake namin. Na-bake na. Pero bago namin ikakainin, lalagay muna sa ref ng 4 hours. Hi guys! Ngayon, tapos na ni Mami i-decorate yung mango cheesecake namin at titikman na namin. Oh, it's gonna be yummy, 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 yummy now. Yummy. Oh my god, that's mine. Oh my gosh, I didn't have it. That's mine. Yummy! Tastes so good. I want to eat it all. Guys, pag gusto nyo bumili ng mango cheesecake, follow nyo doon sa Crave Manchis Instagram. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!